When the handpiece is placed in the holder, you can press the bottom button, then Setup. Info window will appear. In the Setup Info window, you can review the shot count information of the used cartridge. Let you guide the functions of each item in the Info window. The left side displays Ultra Face, while the right side display Ultra Booster details regarding handpiece types and the number of shots used per cartridge. You can show it to customers to let them check the number of shots used, or for charting before turning off the equipment. You can reset the information by tapping the arrow part, then touch OK. This section indicates the total used shots for each type of handpiece. This section indicates the total used shots for both handpieces combined. Let you guide the functions of each item in the Setup window. Enter Setup screen by touching the Setup button at the top left. Volume. The sound volume ranges from level 1 to 5, with levels 2 and 3 being recommended. HP operating source. You can select trigger options, both hand and foot. This allows for personalized treatments based on your preferences. HP auto recognition. You can enable or disable the handpiece automatic recognition mode. Intro animation. You can enable or disable the introduction animation of the handpiece when it is in use. Managing license. If the device stays disconnected from Wi-Fi for more than 30 days from its initial setup, a license reset message will appear and the device will become unavailable. We will assist you in connecting the initial Wi-Fi upon delivery. If the connection is lost, a reset will be required. For detailed instructions, please refer to the License Setup Guide. Lock screen. You can set a password when operating the device. Factory default. The factory default button can reset all equipment settings to their default values. Let me guide you the functions of each item on the main screen from top to bottom. Cartridge temperature. This icon provides temperature information for the respective cartridge. Within the normal temperature range, it is displayed in black and not visible on the screen. When in the warning state, it is displayed in yellow. If treatment is interrupted due to an error, it is displayed in red. When the temperature display turns yellow, please be cautious and replace it with another tip. Wi-Fi. This is the current Wi-Fi connection status. Remaining number of shots. Check the remaining number of shots for the cartridge. Current cartridge information. This image provides information about the handpiece and cartridge currently in use. Used number of shots. Check the used number of shots for the cartridge. Trigger currently in use. Check the trigger currently in use. Adjusting the output. Adjust the power level using the arrow buttons on both sides in increments of 0.1. The power level will be displayed at the bottom of the screen only during MP mode. If you are looking for treatment parameters by area, please refer to the quick guide. Total number of shots after the system power on. If you have used multiple cartridges, the total number of shots will be displayed cumulatively. If you want to reset, touch the corresponding area and hold it for 2 seconds. When you reset, shot count alarm will also be deleted. Shot count alarm. You can adjust the shot count alarm in increments of 1 by using the plus and minus buttons on both sides of the bar. If you hold the button for more than 2 seconds, rapid changes in increments of 10 or 100 are possible. When it reaches your preset limit, it will alert you with a sound, and your treatment will not be interrupted. If you want to delete the shot count alarm, please touch or hold the corresponding area for more than 2 seconds to delete it. Application mode. In single mode, you need to press the trigger for each shot. In repeat mode, holding the trigger allows for continuous shooting. In both modes, the energy is delivered bi-directionally. In repeat mode, you can adjust the interval between shots to their convenience by touching the corresponding area. We recommend a 0.3 second interval for the MP mode. Treatment mode. MP mode delivers energy in a linear pattern, while normal mode delivers energy in a dot pattern. The treatment mode can be selected by the user based on the condition of the patient's skin. Length. For ULTRAFACE cartridges, the length can be adjusted from 5 to 25 millimeters in 5 millimeters increments, with the default value set to 25 millimeters. If the length is adjusted, the starting point will be the upper part of cartridge. For Ultra Booster cartridges, the circular scanning length is fixed at 25 millimeters. Pitch. For ULTRAFACE cartridges with normal mode, pitch can be adjusted from 1.0 to 2.0 millimeters in 0.1 millimeters increments, with the default value set to 1.5 millimeters. For Ultra Booster cartridges with normal mode, pitch can be adjusted from 1.5 to 2.0 millimeters in 0.1 millimeters increments, with the default value set to 1.5 millimeters. The pitch cannot be adjusted in MP mode, regardless of the cartridge's type. Memory. You can save parameters in 3 slots. After adjusting your preferred parameters, touch the memory button, which is currently inactive. Press and hold one of the buttons among M1, M2, and M3 for 2 seconds. Then check the Save Memory section and press the OK button to save. Once the memory is saved, it will remain even if you restart the device. Settings and information. This button is for checking the settings and the number of shots used. The number of shots used for each cartridge is displayed separately. Handpiece currently in use. It displays the currently used handpiece slot. Ready and Standby. This is the Ready and Standby button. When the handpiece is placed on the holder, its status changes from Ready to Standby automatically for safety reasons. If you switch your handpiece to another, press the button before proceeding with the treatment.